BabyBus.
Hello, I am Captain Kiki. Please choose a ship for me. Raft. Add pretty decoration. Let's go, little captain.
Captain Kiki, the princess mermaid is captured by the octopus. Can you find them? I'll find the princess mermaid. Follow the map to find the octopus and the princess mermaid. The princess mermaid is waiting for us. Keep going.
There is a storm. Be careful. Slide steer the ship to the nearest port. Watch out! The storm is getting stronger! The storm is even stronger! Let's speed up! Yeah! We are at the port! Tie the rope and secure the ship. You are safe from the storm. Here is your reward. Yeah! You've got a piece of the ship. Complete a task and get a piece of the ship. Go! The destination is in sight. Captain Kiki, we failed to catch any fish. Can you help us? No problem. Help me find these fish. Help me find these fish. Here are fish for you. Thank you, Captain Kiki. Here is your reward. Please open it. Yeah! You've got a piece of the ship. Collect all pieces to unlock this ship. Keep going. The destination is right ahead. Let's keep going. This is the service station. Steer your ship inside and have it checked. Some logs on the raft are broken. Find the broken logs and replace them with new ones. The new log is too long. Please cut it short. Then fasten with ropes. Our ship has been repaired. Here is your reward. Yeah! You've got a a piece of the ship. We are about to put all the pieces together. Keep collecting. Keep sailing. Let's go. Here comes the pirate. Let's defeat him.
I will get you. I will be back.
You have defeated the pirate. Great job. Here is your reward. Please open it. Yeah, you've got a piece of the ship. All pieces of the dragon boat have been collected. The destination is right ahead. Let's keep going. Help! Help! Man overboard! Let's save them! Help! Help! Throw the life buoys to save them!
Captain Kiki, all our stuffs fell into the water. Can you help us find them?
No problem. Let's get everyone's stuff back. Aw, it's rubbish. We need to protect the marine environment and don't litter. Aw, it's rubbish. We need to protect the marine environment and don't litter. Aw, it's rubbish. We need to protect the marine environment and don't litter.
Thank you, Captain Kiki.
Here is your reward. Wow, you've got a sticker. The destination is right ahead. Let's keep going. The Princess Mermaid is on that island.
The Princess Mermaid is right here. We need to unlock this coded lock before entering.
Slide the coded lock to find the correct shape. Slide the coded lock to find the correct shape.
Welcome, Captain Kiki. Mr. Octopus wants to make friends with us. What do you think of it? Really?
That's right. Let's be friends and enjoy delicious food together.
Okay.